Does anyone subconsciously count when doing this? Please let me know if you do. I don't want to feel alone in this. Hey NailTubers, I'm so excited and glad you're here. We're getting into this right now. For this quick and easy set, I use Saviland Glitter Polygel, and the sparkle in this is insane. Wait till you see. These are Makartt long stiletto pump ups, and this fuchsia has always been my favorite pink. And OMG, when you see the glitter polygel come through these, sis. This cute little flash cure lamp you saw in my Beetles Gel X dupe video, it's so convenient with auto shut on and off. Now I'm a bit perplexed because Makartt nails have always fit me without needing shaping, but these pump ups I think are from a different molding. They're more straight across at the cuticle area, so I do have to do a little shaping for a natural fit. And this is important as you want the nails to appear as realistically yours as possible. In today's video, you're only going to see me do 2 nails because they're all going to be the same. Always shape each side an equal amount. In fact, no, but seriously, it's more so for anyone learning to know it's a really good idea to do it. I came up with Undercover Nail Bling more than a year ago, and it stemmed from Femi Beauty's Lazy Girl method, Femi Beauty method, with my own twist, where I use glitter polygel, and I'll show you how it's done. And you'll love how easy it is and how it looks. I've already prepped my nails, and what you see on them is after dehydrator and primer. Doing Undercover Nail Bling starts with base coat. I've actually been doing 1 nail at a time for this, but since I'm only showing 2, I went ahead and did them all with the base, and this gets cured for 30 seconds. Let me use this moment to say I hope everyone is doing well. I managed to sneak some time for myself and feel pretty refreshed, and I hope you always keep in mind to do the same. There was still some dust in there. Now you can or don't have to place base coat inside the nail, but I choose to because all it's going to do is promote more adhesion between the nail and the polygel, and this is cured for 30 seconds. Then a close for the glitter polygel, and you don't need to go thick because most glitter polygels are thick already. Work to spread it evenly for full coverage, especially up the sides. This sparkle is everything, honey, but you have to see it from above too. I used very minimal alcohol because too much can cause air pockets to form. Place it onto the nail bed at a 45-degree angle, making sure the arch is matched well with no gap. Then start to gently lay it toward the free edge and lightly press until you feel it grab on its own, almost like a vacuum sensation. And I do apologize because my dogs are drinking water right now. You might hear that in the background. What I like most about this is it will hold in place on its own, so you don't have to fumble into the lamp. Make sure to do any cleanup with your brush lightly touched in alcohol and checking any spillage underneath. I go into the flash cure lamp for 10 seconds just for it to secure in place, then a full cure in the large lamp for 90, 60 from above, 30 from the underside. And here's the next nail, and while you watch, I feel like when it comes to Undercover Nail Bling, it's so quick and easy to do. I actually did these real fast so this hand wouldn't be bare because my family and I were going to a celebration dinner. They give that impression that You got your nails done. It was a hibachi dinner, you know, where they cook in front of you, and the ladies next to me kept admiring my nails. They were asking where I got them done, and they were really surprised when I said I did them myself. But of course, I also explained that I'm licensed. They liked my other hand too with the teddy bear, but they really liked these. Remember from before, if there's any excess, don't waste that, girl. Put it aside for the next nail. When you see me keep touching the nail, I'm trying to softly shift it straight. And here's a peek so you can see from the top. Look at that glitter polygel come through. And some cleanup, then flash cured for 10 seconds. And fully cured for 90, remembering 60 from above and 30 underneath. And I always make sure to flip underneath because you have to keep in mind these nails are colored, and even though they're sheer, you should guarantee a full cure of the polygel underneath. And this is how they look. So I only had one nail with a little spillage, and I didn't want to mess up the color surface. And I also feel that filing sometimes takes forever. When I first started doing polygel, I was using nippers to cut away the overspill. And you'd be surprised how much this reduces any shaping needed. And the only reason I left the little that I did was because it was a little too close and I didn't want a mishap. Now here's the underside, and this is why I love doing undercover nail bling so much. I've only done a few so far, but I do plan to do more with new ideas too. That glitter polygel will have a tacky layer after curing, and we're so accustomed to wiping it away, right? But in this case, all you have to do is a layer of glossy top coat to help smooth it out, and cure this for 60 seconds. Once all this is done, some light filing around the edges smooths out any chunky pieces of the glitter polygel that can catch on anything. And while I'm at it, anything else that needs a little filing attention, like the thumb, where it had that overspill. These nails are beautiful and can be worn as is, but something occurred to me later, so I recorded it and inserted it here. You know I've really been liking these glitter striping polishes. So an accent line down the side of each nail, and I also added one gem to the top of each, but I guess I didn't notice the camera cut off, but you'll see it in the reveal. I had to explain that because here you're seeing the base coat and top coat going on without the design. The base coat is cured for 30 seconds and the top coat for 60. And now you see why the two ladies love this set. I think they're so sophisticated. What do you think? If you enjoyed this and would like to see more like it, here are the other Undercover Nail Bling videos. Don't forget to subscribe and click the Nailification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Much love.